Welcome back, my favorite student. You are watching Desi English. So I hope you are all doing great today. So today again, I'll tell you some idioms and advanced vocabulary that you can use in your daily life conversation. So let's get started. So our first word is Paris. Do you know what is the meaning of Paris? It means to die or destroy, especially in a sudden or violent way. For example, 50 passengers perished when the train derailed. It means 50 passengers died when the train derailed. Derailed, it means when a train goes off its track. So it's called derailed. And you can say another example. Many people perished in the earthquake. It means many people died in the earthquake. So I hope you understand. So overall we can say like that you can use the word perish instead of die or destroy. And listen one thing, now you have know the word Paris, and I have already explained the word Paris. So now it's your turn, and you have to do one thing. You have to create your own sentence to use the word Paris, and in this way you can improve your English and you also feel like you are learning something. Okay, so and our next word is schedulers. Do you know what is the meaning of schedulers? It means working hard and never giving up. For example, my friend is preparing for UPSC, so he is working hard and he is never giving up. So overall, we can say my friend is a schedulers. My friend is a schedulers. It means my friend is a hard worker and he is the person and he is never giving person. Okay, so I hope you understand. And our next word is indeed. Do you know what is the meaning of indeed? It means really, it means truly. For example, my friend said, I proposed to her. So then I reply, really? But now I can say indeed. Now I can say indeed. Indeed, it means really or it means truly. So you can also use the word indeed instead of truly or instead of really. And our next word is hostile. Do you know what is the meaning of hostile? It means unfriendly, angry, or dislike. For example, she gave me a hostile look when I proposed to her. So overall, I can say when I proposed to her, she was angry with me or she disliked me. So you can also use the word hostile instead of unfriendly, instead of angry, instead of dislike. And our next word is go up. Go up, it means to rise or it means increase. So you can also see that go up, so you understand what is the meaning of go up. It means increase, it means to rise. For example, actually, do you know, always we say the sun rises at 6 a.m. and we can say use the word go up, and now we can say the sun goes up at 6 a.m. So you can also use the word and you can also create many sentence. And you can say the prices of goods are increasing, but you can use the word and you can say the prices of goods are going up. It means the prices of goods is growing up. And our next word is forgo. Do you know what is the meaning of forgo? It means give up or do without something. Listen, forgo, it means give up, but schedulers, it means never give up, never give up. So you can see the difference between schedulers and forgo. Schedulers, it means never give up, but forgo, it means give up. So I can say I decided to forgo her. It means I want to live without her. And I can say you should forgo smoking. It means you should avoid smoking. And you can say you should give up smoking. So I hope you understand. But one thing, you have to learn anything else and you also think like that, you also want to be a good speaker and you also want to speak in English without any hesitation. So you have to do one thing. Listen carefully. Suppose I have already explained the word Paris, schedulers, indeed, and all the words I have already explained. Now you can see. So, but now it's your turn. Now it's your turn. You have to do one thing. You have to create your own sentence to use the word Paris and to use the word schedulers. You have to create your own sentence, and you, when you make a sentence, so you also feel you are also learning something. So I hope you understand what I am saying you. So take care and bye bye.
If you found the video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.